Welcome to the entertainment corner. My name is Dene Justia Tumoy, and at the corner this and it's very hot. Now I ready to go. This is Slick TV channel 37. So, dipping into the movie industry, Nasalone, Lima's Diary make a post say on October 1st, 2025, Purple Tag they drop. We know say Lima not the carry last way country movie business Nasalone. From the days of Together by Law, bringing down to Love in the Glass, now we could anticipate the Purple Tag, waiting day inside it for we. Taik dropped in song Zuku 7 months ago. And now, the song don't get 356k views.
I see your touch like do. I know this zero that I say you fire. Nazuko I be. Show me your food design. Where on my mind inspire. I take you down to Ibiza. Make I show you gotta till I see your touch like do. I know this zero that I say you fire. Nazuko only yours for you.
Okay, the contemplation now is this song and Jiga, which one can get more views? Because Jiga, where they upload 1 year ago, don't get over 1,400,000 views.
You dey feel tension. I dey see am for your face. Oh, I no gree hear word, but you dey with my body and I want follow. Standing at your door, my liver surplus, my jigger don't know. I dey feel you, come give me your love. Oh, my liver surplus, my jigger don't know. I dey feel you. I know to be a shower, but I don't feel it no more. I know to be a shower, but I don't feel it no more.
Wow, that's amazing, right? Okay, away from that, let's dip into Jiga acoustic.
You dey feel tension. I dey see am for your face. Oh, I no gree hear word, but you dey with my body and I want color. Standing at your door, my liver surplus, my jigger don't know. I dey feel your heart, calling me your love. Oh, my liver surplus, my jigger don't know. I dey feel you, I know to be a shower, but I don't feel it no more. I know to be a shower, but
Jiga acoustic been uploaded 4 weeks ago, and it don't get 93k views. I feel like the acoustic they express within the artist will make we understand in depth per this song. But anyways, don't forget, the fans then say nothing no go beat Jiga for go beat. Away from Dande, let's move on to Jemmy. Say me baby, can you hear me? I know they joke for me one great salon TT. It don't get over 100,000 plays on Audiomack. That's amazing for a young artist, a new school artist. And don't forget, the YouTube plays them also they go up every day.
Say me baby, can you hear me? I know they joke for me.
Filamenti? Yes. Are you film? Now, so other Sierra Leoneans home and abroad, they film. Go stream Salon City on Audiomack, on YouTube, and Spotify. We promote we own salon artists them, especially with new school artists. Now we go into with top 10 biggest Sierra Leonean artists on YouTube. We get number 1, Last King Kyle Dinero. We entertainment ambassador. We get 73.8K streaming. On number 2, we get Drizzy Lake. One time Drizzler, we get 50.5K streamings. On number 3, we get Emerson. I will not the band, Sugar Medicine. It get 59.3K viewings. Then we get Famous. We get 34.4K views. We get King Boss LA. We get 33.8K streamings. Yes, not forget Innocent Kuti. We get 30.6K streamings. Also, Rose Sukuta. Remember the days of once I know stay me life go on, me and I go fair. Yes, it get 24.6K viewings. Incredible JJ, of course, one of the fastest growing new school artists, get 23K viewings on YouTube. Star Zizi Mama get 22K viewings. Last but not the least, we get Mahmoode. We get 19.9K views on YouTube. May we continue for stream we own salon artists and songs, support them in any way possible. Then I all will get for now the entertainment corner. My name is Danette Jasia Tumoy, and this is Slick TV, channel 37. As the hot, it up. Thank you for watching.